Hello guys. So today one of my repair is um, is it David, is it Xbox X
One X.
Xbox One S. So no display, turns on fine. We look at the charging HDMI port, as you can see here. Both input and output, both are nothing wrong with it. So the problem is HDMI encoder. Okay, so HDMI encoder sometimes little bit tricky to solder back, and so I will show you how to remove and solder one back. I'm just orientation mark I'm putting here. Okay, let's remove it, but before I remove it I will get my solder back. I usually get things ready before I start any repair, so that during the repair I don't have to run around here and there. So this is HDMI encoder, HDMI display chip, HDMI IC, different names, HDMI remitter, you can call it anything. So when you see there is no display on PlayStation or Xbox One, Xbox One S, Xbox One X, if the fuses are okay, you should check the fuse first. The fuses for this one connectivity is just behind the HDMI ports. Just check them, which I have already tested. Of course it's not working. And I'll give it a clean. Just a little bit more flux. Do you see these holes under here? That is to dispense the heat. Okay. So let's give it a clean. This is the new one here. Okay, pretty clean now. This is the new IC, as you can see. This is the old one which we have removed. So I will put it here. And the next thing is we have to tint the pad. Okay. we are tinting the pad with, you hearing this sound, this is on another table that fume extractor is working, so I hope you can still hear me. Now get a leaded low melt solder and tint the pad. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, that's good enough. So get the new IC, put it here. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to align because you can't see actually those small lines. I think I will do a little bit of solder here. Yep, that's enough. Okay, we will hold it as close as we can. Yep, maybe a little bit to this side. No, I'm not happy with it. This is little bit close where I want, and hopefully it will flow down after. Come on, don't move. Stay here. Just here is okay. And there you go. Yeah, I can see it's already melted down. So I will just hold it here a little bit more and then let it go. So once that is done, the other important thing in these ICs is to check under the microscope. Look here, see how perfectly these are aligned here nicely. So this is how Xbox One X HDMI encoder you can replace. Thank you. Bye. So we put it back together, Xbox One S, and let's see if you got the display. Yep, got the display straight away. So all good. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.